All right, so now we're going to be converting radians to degrees. So we're going to start with our radians. Sometimes they might already be in a fraction. If they're not, you can just put it over 1. But again, if they're already in a fraction, you don't need to put that over 1. We're going to have the 180 degrees. Basically just flip what we did before. Now we're going to have pi radians on the bottom. And typically that pi radians is going to cancel out, and you end up with degrees with that. All right, so let's try it. All right, so you can see we already did that here. We had 19 pi over 18 radians, multiplied it by 180 over pi. You can see the pi's cancel, and then you're left with 190 degrees. So again, we kind of want to do this in our calculator. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with 180 degrees on the top, and I'm going to label this one just so you guys have a reference. And then I want pi radians on the bottom. Now my radians and pi are automatically going to cancel out here. So what I want to put into my calculator is -9 times 180 over 4. And that will get me my answer with this. So alpha y equals -9 times 180 over 4. You can see you get -405 degrees. All right, let's try this one over here. Times 180 over pi. Your pi's cancel. We're going to plug into our calculator -13 times 180 over 12 and see what we get. And sometimes you might get a decimal. You can just put in -39 divided. Oh, wait a minute. That's not right. Try that again. Alpha y equals -13 times 180 over 12. Not 120. And you get -195 with that. 195 degrees. Over here to this one. 180 over pi. Your pi's cancel. We're going to plug into our calculator. Alpha y equals 11 times 180 over 4. And you get 495. All right, 15. 13 pi over 18. I'm going to multiply by 180 over pi. Your pi's cancel. We're going to plug into our calculator. 13 times 180 divided by 18. Oops, wrong one. You get 130 degrees. Over here, times 180 over pi. Your pi's cancel. We want -5 times 180 over 4. You get -225 degrees. And here, times 180 over pi. Pi's cancel. Times 180 divided by 9. You get 200 degrees. I forgot to write that out. I'm sorry. 10 times 180 over 9 gives you 200 degrees. Sorry about that. Times the pi over 180. Oh, whoa, wrong thing. Times 180 over pi. Pi's cancel, and in our calculator we're going to do -59 times 180 over 18. negative 590 degrees. And then the last two times 180 over pi. Pi's cancel. We're going to have 180 over 3, which you can just do 180 divided by 3 there instead. You get 60 degrees. And over here, times 180 over pi. Pi's cancel. We'll put 11 times 180 divided by 3 in our calculator. You get 660 degrees. And there's your answers. Right? And that is the remainder of the homework.